Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by ensuring prerequisites are met. Confirm your iPad model and iOS version so instructions match. Once done, turn off low power mode in settings battery because it can lock brightness behavior. Make sure the ambient light sensor isn't blocked. Remove any case or screen protector covering the top bezel and gently clean the area. Now open settings and proceed to display and brightness. This first action lets the device measure ambient light properly before you change any toggles. Next, you'll adjust system-level controls that govern automatic brightness. Go to Settings, Accessibility Display and Text Size and toggle Auto Brightness, off then on to recalibrate the sensor. This forces a fresh reading. Then disable True Tone in Settings, Display and Brightness to isolate adaptive color shifts from brightness changes. If behavior remains inconsistent, reset display-related settings via Settings General Transfer or Reset and choose Reset All Settings. This preserves data while clearing misconfigured display preferences. To finish, reboot the iPad to apply changes. Hold the power and a volume button, slide to power off, then restart. Test auto brightness under several lighting conditions, bright outdoor, dim room, and direct lamp, to confirm the sensor responds predictably. If problems persist, make sure iOS is up to date in Settings General Software Update, and if updates don't help, contact Apple support. A faulty ambient light sensor or hardware issue may require servicing. One troubleshooting tip: try a factory restore as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.